Hi everyone. Today we're going to be making roasted dill pickle potato wedges. What all goes into roasted dill pickle potato wedges? 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons dill pickle juice, 1/4 cup finely chopped fresh dill weed, 4 medium russet potatoes unpeeled, cut lengthwise into 8 wedges each, 2 clove garlic finely chopped, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. So let's begin. You want to preheat the oven to 425. You want to take a baking sheet. If your aluminum foil is not non-stick, then go ahead and take some cooking spray and spray on it. If it's non-stick, you can eliminate the cooking spray. You want to make sure that you wash and dry each of the potatoes, and you want to cut each potato into 8 wedges. So you want to go ahead and cut it in half. Lengthwise, and then cut each half into 4. So you want to take a big bowl and dump your 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of pickle juice, 1/4 cup of fresh dill weed, and you can substitute dry dill, use 1½ teaspoons if you don't have fresh, and your 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Go ahead and mix that up. Put in your potatoes. Now these are fairly long pieces. They may have to cook longer than the time it says. We'll find out. And then you just want to toss them, get them all coated. Then you want to put your potato wedges in a single layer on your prepared baking sheet. That's a pretty full pan there. So we'll go ahead and salt and pepper them. Put them in a 425-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes, turning them over after 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you want to turn them over and then put them back in the oven and finish cooking them for another 20 minutes or until done. All right, so the roasted dill pickle potato wedges just came out of the oven. We'll dish it up and I'll get my husband to give it a taste test. So here are the roasted dill pickle potato wedges, and if you want, you can go ahead and pour a little bit of pickle juice over it. And rounding out the meal is a poor man's Salisbury steak.
I don't taste it. You said these are
Dill pickle.
yeah, see, I'm not tasting a lot of dill pickle. I mean, it's good. It's a potato wedge, but I'm not tasting a lot of the dill pickle.
Does it have any kind of flavor? Try a bite of another one.
I'm not really tasting any dill.
Oh, I guess turn it around so we can see what we're doing.
That's fine. If I'm in here and there's room over here, it'll be good.
Yeah, but I don't know if I'm looking stupid or not. All right, so we do have some final thoughts on the roasted dill pickle potato wedges. Now, when I made them, I expected it to be really a dill pickle flavor, and for Dave to go ahead and make a funny face because it was sour. He made a funny face, but it was because he couldn't taste any dill pickle.
Yeah, and that was kind of my expectation when she was doing the setup on things. I thought I heard her say dill pickle potatoes, and so I was expecting some sort of a dill pickle flavor, and it wasn't there. I will say I liked it a lot. It was a lot better than, say, just a plain baked potato, but I didn't really, the dill pickle didn't jump out at me, which is what I expected. The garlic did not jump out at me, but the combination of everything I thought was a really good combination, something I would be happy to have again.
Yeah, it tasted really, really good, but it was not like what I expected. If you're not a big fan of dill pickles, which I like dill pickles, but not, love them enough to where have everything taste like dill pickles, it's perfect. And if you want more of a dill pickle flavor, you can pour dill pickle juice on them after they are baked.
It would be something that I would be happy to have again.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.